Hey guys, Alex here, and today we are going to integrate this beautiful watch into a web page. So let's get started. As you can see here, I have a very basic setup, so only HTML, CSS and JavaScript files. On the right hand side there is a local server running this project. The first thing we need is the options object. Here's how you can retrieve this object. Head over to Threedium Platform and search for your solution. Once you're inside, click the publish button and you will have your options object. Copy this object and paste it inside your JavaScript file. We now need to create the container for our 3D scene, and this container needs to have the ID specified in this field. So we simply need to create the element with this ID. We also need to add a Threedium script, and this is how. And one more function here, and you will see here is our watch. But as you can see here, this doesn't take up the entire viewport. That's because our container here isn't taking up the entire viewport, and we will fix this very easily. And there it is. However, there is a problem with this approach. Look what happens when I reload the page. As you can see here, there is a blank screen for a split second, and we need to fix this. This is bad user experience. We are now going to create a very simple loading screen. So let's add some HTML and also some styling. And as you can see here, our loading screen is working. However, we need to disable it, of course. And when exactly do we need to do that? Well, take a look at this init function, and inside this init function there is a callback function. This function executes once the scene is loaded. So what we need to do here is simply remove the active class of this loading screen, and look what happens. As you can see here, we have now a perfectly working loading screen, and this is a much better user experience. This is all for today, guys, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye!